There were days when the sun was so blue, that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how, and I banished every memory you and I had ever made. You touch me like this, you hold me like that. I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. Touch you like this, I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. There are moments of glow and there are flashes of night. There were things I never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any loves and loves. Baby, baby, why is you like this? And if you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me
Second point. Pag may pilit, gagano kami niya.
But it's your history with a slamming of the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you since then.
Huwag niyo akong patawanin.
It was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. You touch me like this, you touch me like that. It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. There are moments of gold and there are flashes of light. There are things I'd never do again, but then they always seem right.
Kala ko
There were
pagkalaan
nights
siya.
of endless pleasure, it was more than any loves and love. Baby, 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 touch me like this, and when you hold me like that, it's the sun with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. When you see me like this, and when you see you like that, then we'll see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies all coming back to me. And then we go, but it's all coming back to me now. We forgive and forget, and it's all coming back to me now. It's all coming back to me now. When I touch you like this, it's all coming back to me now. If you do it like this, it's all coming back to me now.
Sauli na naman ako.
Akin na, Brad.
Bibidyoan ka namin.
Ala, tama na, ala.